हाँ स्टार्ट करा मैडम.
हो सर. जस्ट वन. सर शेअर स्क्रीनचा ऑप्शन का नाही दिसत आहे त्याच्यात? Good afternoon, all of you. Today we have to discuss the model answer paper or question answer paper trigonometry. So just focus on a first question, that is question 1A, that is the MCQ. So what is the first MCQ? Cosec 45 degree. We know the value of cosec 45 degree, that is √2. So option B is correct. Then focus on second question, 1 plus tan square theta. This is our identity number second. 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sec square theta. So our option C is correct. Then we have to discuss third MCQ, 1 upon cosec theta. 1 upon cosec theta is nothing but sin theta. So here we have to focus on the option number D. And last MCQ, tan theta into cot theta. That is, it is a reciprocal form. So tan into cot, it is always 1. So our option C is correct. Then focus on question 1AB. Solve the following sub questions. So what is our first question? If tan theta is equal to 13 upon 12. If tan theta is equal to 13 upon 12, what is the value of cot theta? So cot theta is nothing but 1 upon tan theta. So 1 upon 13 upon 12. So what is their reciprocal? 12 upon 13. So what is the value of cot theta? 12 upon 13. Then focus on a second question. If 2 sin theta is equal to 3 cos theta, then what is the value of tan theta? So 2 sin theta is equal to 3 cos theta. This is the given part. So we have to write or equate sine and cos term one side. So this cos is multiplied. So when we change the side, it is divided to sine theta. So sine upon cos is equal to 3 upon 2. Sine upon cos is nothing but tan theta. So what is the value of tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but 3 upon 2. Then focus on third question. Sine theta is equal to 3 upon 5. And cos theta is equal to 4 upon 5. Then what is the value of tan theta? So tan theta is nothing but sin theta upon cos theta. So we have to put the value, that is tan theta is equal to sin theta. What is the value of sin theta? 3 upon 5. What is the value of cos theta? 4 upon 5. We have to multiplicate it. 5 get cancelled. So 3 upon 4. So what is the value of tan theta? 3 upon 4. Then what is the fourth question? Sec theta plus tan theta in first bracket. Sec theta minus tan theta in second bracket. It is the form of a plus b, a minus b. That is a square minus b square. That is sec square theta minus tan square theta. It is again our second identity. That is value is 1. Then focus on a question number 2A. This is activity based question. So we have to focus on activity. Cos square theta in bracket 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sec square theta. So cos theta into sec theta bracket square. So what is the value of cos into sec? That is 1. So 1 square is equal to 1. Then focus on second identities. Phi upon sine square theta minus phi cot square theta. So we have to take phi in common. So what is in bracket? 1 upon sine square theta minus cot square theta. 1 upon sine square theta is nothing but cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So here 1 upon sine square theta is nothing but cosec square theta. And again our third identity is cosec square theta minus cot square theta. That value will be 1. So phi multiplied by 1. So our final answer will be phi. We have to complete second activity. Then focus on a third identity. Cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. So consider LHS. What is the cot theta plus tan theta? Cot theta replaced by the value cos theta upon sin theta plus sin theta upon cos theta. So what is in activity box? Cot theta is replaced by the value cos theta upon sin theta and tan theta replaced by sin theta upon cos theta. So here just we have to same the denominator. So cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is the value is 1 upon sin theta cos theta. So here we write sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then we have to separate the denominator. So 1 upon sin theta multiplied by 1 upon cos theta. So 1 upon sin theta is nothing but cosec theta. 1 upon cos theta is nothing but sec theta. We have to complete our third activity. Then just focus on question number 2B. So what is question number B1? Here sin theta is given 7 upon 25. Find the value of cos theta and tan theta. So we know that cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin theta value is replaced by 7 upon 25, that is square. So what is the square of 7 upon 25? That is 49 upon 625. So just same the denominator, that is 625 minus 49 upon 625. So here we write 576 upon 625. So cos theta is equal to, taking square root both sides, so 24 upon 25. Then what is the value of tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta is nothing but 7 upon 25. Cos theta is 24 upon 25. That 25 get cancelled. So tan value is 7 upon 24. Then we have to just focus on second question. Cot theta is equal to 49 upon 9. We have to find out cosec theta and sin theta. So we know that our third identity is cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So put the value of cot theta. So 1 plus 40 upon 9 bracket square. So what is the square of 40? 1600. What is the square of 9? 81. Just same the denominator. So 1600 plus 81 upon 81. That will get the answer 1681 upon 81. Taking square root both sides. So cosec theta, that value is 41 upon 9. Then we have to find out the value of sin theta. So sin theta is nothing but 1 upon cosec theta. So 1 upon 41 upon 9. So what is the value of sin theta? 9 upon 41. Then focus on our third question. If tan theta is equal to 2, find the value of other trigonometric ratio. So we know that sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So we have to put the value of tan theta. So 1 plus 2 bracket square. So here we write 1 plus 4. So sec square theta is equal to 5. So sec theta is equal to root 5. Then We know that cos theta is nothing but 1 upon sec theta. So what is the value of cos theta? 1 upon root pi. Then also we know the formula for tan theta is equal to sine upon cos. So here we have to convert that formula by the same way. Sine theta is nothing but cos into tan theta. So put the value of cos theta, that is 1 upon root pi into 2. So sine theta is equal to 2 upon root pi. Then cosec theta is nothing but 1 upon sine theta. That is, we have to find out the value of cosec theta, root pi upon 2. And last, cot theta is nothing but 1 upon tan theta. So what is the value of cot theta? 1 upon 2. Then we have to just focus on fourth question. Root 3 tan theta is equal to 3 sin theta. To find the value of sin square theta minus cos square theta. So root 3 tan theta is equal to 3 sin theta. Tan theta is nothing but sin theta upon cos theta. So here sin theta get cancelled. So root 3 upon 3 cos theta. That is, we'll get the value of cos theta is nothing but 1 upon root 3. Then we have to find out the value of sin square theta. So sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta. So put the given value 1 minus 1 upon root 3 bracket square. So 1 minus 1 upon 3, same the denominator. So 3 ones are 3, 3 minus 1 upon 3. That will get the value of sin square theta 2 upon 3. And we have to find out the value of sin square theta minus cos square theta. That is 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3. That will get denominator same. So 2 minus 1 upon 3. That will write here 1 upon 3. Then here fifth question is the proof that question. We have to prove that cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. So just rationalize the process. We have to multiply their conjugated here. So cos theta in bracket 1 minus sin theta. Same where in denominator 1 plus sin theta multiply by 1 minus sin theta. So here cos theta in bracket 1 minus sin theta. Here a plus b, a minus b, it is a form of a square minus b square. That will write here 1 square minus sin square theta. So for a denominator 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square theta. So we'll get the value of cos theta in bracket 1 minus sin theta upon cos square theta. Here 1 cos theta get cancelled. So what will remain? That will get the RHS, that is 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Here our second question will be completed. Then we have to just focus on question number 3A, that is again activity based question. So here total 6 box. So just focus on what is again through that section. Sin raised to 4a minus cos raised to 4a is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square a. So here sin raised to 4a and minus cos raised to 4a, it is converted to form of a square minus b square. So what is the a square minus b square? That is sin square raised to square and cos square raised to square. So it becomes right in the form a plus b, a minus b. So we have to write in a first box sin square a plus cos square a. In second box sin square a minus cos square a. So in a first box, it is again identity. Sin square a plus cos square a, it is nothing but 1. Sin square a minus cos square a, this is remaining. So sin is converted by again our identities. That is sin square a is nothing but 1 minus cos square a. So we have to replace the sin square a by that identities. That is 1 minus cos square a minus cos square a. So what will we get? That is 1 minus cos square a minus cos square a. It is the minus 2 cos square a. We will get the RHS. Then focus on a second question. Sec square theta is nothing but 1 plus tan square theta. So here we'll give when the value of tan theta is given and we have to find out the value of sec theta. So here we use the identities sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. This is our trigonometry identity. So sec square theta, that is 1 plus what is the value of tan theta? That is 7 upon 24 bracket square. So here we write 1 plus 49 upon 576. Same the denominator. So 576 plus 49 upon 576. It will get the 625 upon 576. Taking square root both sides. So what will get? Sec theta is equal to 25 upon 24. Then we have to start the question number 3b. Focus on what is the question is given here. Cos theta is equal to root 3 upon 2. Then find the value of 1 minus sec theta upon 1 plus 2 sec theta. So here just focus on our trigonometric chart. Cos theta is equal to root 3 upon 2 is given. But we know that cos 30 degree, that value is root 3 upon 2. So what is the value of theta? This will be 30 degree. So here theta replaced by 30 degree. So we have to find out the sec 30 degree value. That is 2 upon root 3. And cosec 30 degree, that is 2. Put in given information, that is 1 minus sec theta upon 1 plus cosec theta. So here 1 minus sec 30 degree, 1 plus cosec 30 degree. So put the given value. So 1 minus 2 upon root 3 upon 1 plus 2. So here same the denominator will get root 3 minus 2 upon root 3. Denominator 1 plus 2, that is only 3. So here 3 upon 1 inversely proportional multiplication. So root 3 upon 2 upon root 3 multiply by 1 upon 3. So just rationalize the denominator. So we have to multiply numerator denominator by root 3. So here we'll get root 3 in bracket, root 3 minus 2. And here we'll get 3 multiplied by root 3 into root 3, that is 3. 3 3s are 9. So what will we get answer? Root 3 in bracket, root 3 minus 2 upon 9. Then focus here. Again here, the prove that section. So what is the given? In LHS, 1 upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 upon 1 minus sin A is equal to 2 sec square A. So what is the LHS? 1 upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 upon 1 minus sin A. Same the denominator. So cross multiplication. So 1 minus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon 1 plus sin A multiplied by 1 minus sin A. Here minus sin A plus sin A get cancelled. So 1 plus 1, that will get 2. And here A plus B, A minus B, this is nothing but A square minus B square. That is 1 square minus sin square A. So we know that 1 minus sin square A is nothing but cos square A. So 2 in bracket 1 upon cos square A. So 1 upon cos square A is nothing but the sec square A. So here we'll get the RHS. So we have to easily prove that 1 upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 minus sin A is equal to 2 sec square A. Then focus here. Third question. It is in a trigonometric application. So we have to first read the question properly. Two buildings, from the top of the lighthouse, an observer looking at a ship makes angle of depression of 60 degrees. If the height of the lighthouse is 90 meters, then find how far the ship is from the lighthouse. Here, root 3 value is also given, that is 1.73. So here we have to just draw the diagram. PQ, it is the height of a lighthouse. And here R is the point which is the here ship. QR is the distance between ship and lighthouse. Here angle is a given, that is angle of depression 60 degree. That is angle MPR is a given 60 degree. But PM is parallel to QR, that indicate that angle PRQ is an alternate angle and that is also 60 degree. This is the angle of depression. So in right angle triangle PQR, we have to given, the height of a lighthouse is a given, that will 90 meter, and we have to find out the QR. So we have to use the ratio of tan theta. So what is the value of tan theta? PQ upon QR. Put the given value. Here tan 60 degree, correct? tan 60 degree, that value is root 3. PQ is replaced by the value 90 upon QR. So what will we get? QR is equal to 90 upon root 3. Again, we have to use the rationalizing the process, that is multiply by root 3 in numerator denominator. So what will we get? 90 into root 3 upon root 3 into root 3. So 90 into root 3 upon 3. So it becomes 30. So 30 root 3. So what will get? 30 root 3, that is nothing but replace the value of root 3, that is 1.73. So here we write 51.90 meters. So ship is at a distance of a 51.90 meters from the lighthouse. This is our final answer. Here unit must be compulsory. Then focus on a question number 4. Again it is a application of trigonometry. Two buildings are in front of each other and a road of width 50 meters from the top of the first building, having a height of 12 meters. The angle of elevation of the top of the second building is 30 degrees. What is the height of the second building? So focus on a diagram. Here PQ is the height of the first building, which is a 10 meter. AB is the height of a second building. And here angle of elevation is given 60 degree from first building to second building top. QB is the width of a road, that is given 12 meter. And if QB is 12 meter, we have to also will get the PR value, that is 12 meter. So we have to put that value. So PR perpendicular to AB. So PR is equal to BQ. BR is equal to 10 meter. Sorry, BR is of 15 meter. So angle APR is a 16 degree. PR is equal to QB, that is a 15 meter. So in triangle ARP, tan 60 degree is equal to AR upon PR. So root 3 is equal to AR upon 15. So AR is equal to 15 root 3. So AB, that value is AR plus RB, that is 12 plus root 3 upon 10. Then just focus on question number 4. So question number 4 is nothing but prove that section. It is asked for 8 marks. Total 3 questions are given and we have to start to solve any 2. So focus on first question, sin square A into tan A plus cos square A into cot A plus 2 sin A cos A is equal to tan A plus cot A. Just focus here LHS part. So write down the first LHS, sin square A into tan A plus cos square A into cot A plus 2 sin A into cos A, correct? So we have to remain sin square A as it is. What is the value of tan A? We have to write in brackets sin A upon cos A. We have to write cos square A as it is. We have to replace the value of cot A, that is cos A upon sin A. And plus 2 sin A cos A as it is. So sin square A into sin A, that will get sin cube A upon cos A. Cos square A into cos A, that will write here cos cube A upon sin A plus 2 sin A cos A. So here we'll get, we observe that 2 terms in first denominator cos A, in the second denominator is sin A. Just try to same the denominator. So sin cube multiplied by sin A, it becomes sin raised to 4A. Cos A multiplied by cos cube A, it becomes cos raised to 4A upon cos A into sin A plus 2 sin A cos A. So again we have to same the denominator. So sin raised to 4A plus cos raised to 4A plus 2 sin A cos A is nothing but 2 sin square A cos square A upon sin A cos square. When we observe here, it is the form of A square plus 2AB plus B square. It is nothing but sin square raised to square plus cos square raised to square plus 2 sin square A cos square A. So we have to write in the form of A plus B bracket square. So we have to write sin square A plus cos square A raised to 2 upon sin A cos A. So what is our identity? Sin square A plus cos square A is nothing but 1. So 1 square upon sin A cos A. So 1 upon sin A cos A, we have to separate it. Or we have to write here equation number 1. Then again focus on RHS. So what is the RHS? Tan A plus cot A. Again, we have to replace the value of tan A. So tan A is nothing but sin A upon cos A. Cot A is nothing but cos A upon sin A. So again, same the denominator. So sin A multiplied by sin A, they become sin square A. Cos A multiplied by cos A, it is a cos square A upon sin A cos A. So here we write 1 upon sin A cos A. So sin square A plus cos square A, its value will be 1. So when we observe the equation 1 and 2, LHS become RHS. So we have to write, hence we have to prove that easily. Sin square A into tan A plus cos square A into cot A plus 2 sin A cos A is equal to tan A cot A. We have to easily prove that. Then focus on a second question. It is the application of a trigonometry. So just read the question carefully. While landing at an airport, a pilot made an angle of depression of 20 degrees. Average speed of the plane was 200 km per hour. The plane reached the ground after 54 seconds. Find the height at which plane was when it started landing. Sin 20 degree, that value is given, that is 0.342. So we have to find out the height at which the plane was when started landing. So we have to focus on here diagram. PQ, it is the height of the plane from the ground at which it was the started for landing. That means we have to focus on here PR, the distance covered by the plane when it started landing up to the platform. And we have to give on the speed of the plane. What is the speed of the plane? 200 km/h. And it reached at the ground after 54 seconds. Here, time in second and speed is given km/h. So here unit is mismatched. So we have to convert time taken 54 seconds in hours. So we have to write here time is equal to 54 divided by 60. That will convert it into minute. And that minute is also converted into hours. That is multiplied by again 60. So what is here times in hours? 54 upon 60 into 60. So we know that the formula for speed, so speed is equal to distance upon time. We have to speed and time, we have to easily find out the distance. So speed is nothing but 200 km/h. Distance upon time is replaced by 54 divided by 60 into 60. Just we have to shift the other side. So 200 multiplied by 54 upon 60 into 60. It becomes distance. So that 20 get cancelled, 20. Then 6 ones are 6, 6 nines are 54. Again 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. And here 3 threes are 9. Again that 2 get cancelled. So here we'll get the distance covered by the plane 3 kilometers. That will get the PR distance here. Then here angle MPR, that is angle of depression, is given 20 degree. But when we observe the diagram, angle PRQ is equal to angle MPR, that is alternate angles. So we have to give an angle MPR 20 degree, that is the same angle PRQ 20 degree. In right angle triangle PRQ, we have to PR, that is hypotenuse is given, correct? And we have to find out the height, that is we have to focus on the ratio sin theta. So sin theta is equal to PQ upon PR. That theta is replaced by 20 degree. So sine 20 is equal to PQ upon PR. So sine 20 value is given, that is 0.342. PQ is as it is and PR is nothing but the distance covered by plane. So that will give 3 kilometers. So we have to put here. Then we have to find out the value of PQ. It is a just 0.342 multiplied by 3. So what will we get? That answer will be 1.026 kilometer. That kilometer units converted by meter, so multiply by 1000. So it become PQ is equal to 1026 kilometer. So height of the plane from the ground at which it was started for landing is 1026 meter. Then we have to focus on the third question. Sec theta plus tan theta is equal to P. That is the given. And we have to show that P square minus 1 upon P square plus 1 is equal to sin theta. We have to, this is 2 or 3 methods. So just here we have to start the easy method. So that sec theta is converted by 1 upon cos theta. Tan theta is converted by sin theta upon cos theta is equal to P. Here denominator are same, so we have to just write 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta is equal to P. Squaring both sides. Why we have to square? We have to improve that section. P square form is given, so we have to square it. So 1 plus sin theta bracket square upon cos square theta is equal to P square. That cos square theta that is in denominator, we have to replace by identities 1 minus sin square theta. So in numerator we'll get 1 plus sin theta bracket square upon 1 minus sin square theta is equal to P square. That 1 minus sin square theta, it is nothing but the form of a square minus b square. That is a plus b in first bracket, a minus b in second bracket. So we have to write 1 plus sin theta square upon 1 plus sin theta in first bracket, 1 minus sin theta in second bracket is equal to P square. Here 1 plus sin theta, that bracket, same bracket get cancelled. So what will we get? We'll get, or will remain 1 plus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta is equal to P square. That denominator we have to shift other side by in multiplication. So what will we get? 1 plus sin theta is equal to P square in bracket 1 minus sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta is equal to P square into 1, that will get P square. P square into sin theta, that is P square sin theta. So we have to arrange the term of sin theta in one side and constant term one side. So what we'll get? That minus P square sin theta shift other side. So P square sin theta plus sin theta is equal to P square minus 1. So we have to take the common sin theta. So what will remaining in bracket? P square plus 1 is equal to P square minus 1. So we have to find out the value of sin theta, that is P square minus 1 upon P square plus 1. We have to easily prove. Then we have to focus on the last question, that is question 5, that is solve the following sub question. That is, first question is eliminate theta for given question, means that we have to try to remove the theta in both the equation. So focus on what is the given. Here we have to given that x is equal to a cot theta minus b cosec theta, and y is equal to a cot theta plus b cosec theta. It is nothing but the form of linear equation in a two variable. So we have to write here adding equation 1 and 2, because here we have to use the elimination method. B cosec theta minus plus, they get cancelled. So what we'll get, adding equation 1 and 2, we'll get x plus y, a plus a, that is 2a cot theta. So we have to find out the value of cot theta, that will get here x plus y upon 2a. Here cot theta. Again, we have to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. That what will we get? x minus y is equal to, here a cot theta minus a cot theta get cancel. So here we'll get minus b minus b, that will get minus 2b cosec theta, correct? So just focus here, x minus y is equal to minus 2b cosec theta. So that minus 2b shift other side, but we have to change the sign. X minus y is replaced by y minus x. So y minus x upon 2b is equal to cosec theta. So here we'll get the value of cot theta and cosec theta, correct? So we know the relation between cosec and cot, that is cosec square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. We have to put the value of cosec theta. What is the value of cosec theta? Y minus x upon 2b bracket square. We have to put the value of cot theta, that is y plus x upon 2a bracket square is equal to 1. So we have to write here y minus x bracket square, 2b square is nothing but 4b square, minus y plus x bracket square, 2a square is nothing but 4a square. Here 4 is a common. We have to shift other side. So what will get? Y minus x upon b bracket square minus y plus x upon a bracket square is equal to 4. Then it is one last question. What is given? If tan theta minus sin square theta is equal to cosec square theta. To prove that sin square theta is equal to half. So just we have to start the given part. Tan theta minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. That minus sin square theta shift other side. So what will we get? Tan theta is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta. So tan theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but 1. Tan theta is equal to 1. But we know that tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So here we write theta is equal to 45 degree. Hence sin square theta is equal to sin square 45 degree. So sin 45 value is 1 upon root 2 square. So 1 square, that is 1, root 2 square, that is 2. So we have to prove that easily sin square theta is equal to 1 upon 2. So we have to discuss the whole question. This is so is a question paper. And if any doubt in someone question, here just focus here that trigonometric application form. Here 12 meter is replaced by only 15 meters. So the final answer is 5 root 3 plus 10. Okay, so just here 12 meter, it is a mistakes. Here in a given question paper, will 15 meter is given. So just it is replaced by 15. So our final answer will be 5 root 3 plus 12. Correct? Meter. That is, what is the answer? That is, what is the height of the second building? That is 10 plus 5 root 3 meter. Okay, so here we have to discuss the whole question paper with proper answers. So bye all of you. See you. Thank you. So okay, bye all of you. Take care and all the